Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki here and we are back from the first Aussie Planner Girls cruise, and of course I decided you needed to see the swag, because what's a planner meetup without swag? And honestly, we got so much thanks to the very generous planner girl bosses in our Australian community. And I thought, how about we unbox all this together? I've opened nothing. I've just watched everyone else do theirs, but I didn't do mine so that I could show you what we got. So first of all, there's this gorgeous pouch, and in it is a leather reindeer. How cute is that? That's from Mystlily. Love that. Then look at this gorgeous little envelope. This is from Moby Co. I don't want to tear this. I want to keep this envelope because it's so cute. And inside is some gorgeous little nautical die cuts. Pop that over there. Have a look at all these they're just so pretty. There's mermaids and seahorses. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. Thank you, Moby Co. Then we've got a parcel here from Pretty Planner Things Co. And I can see we've got a postcard included. Have a look at that. Oh, isn't that so sweet? That's so pretty. And some, pop that over there. And we've got some sticker sheets. Oh my gosh, have a look at these gorgeous mermaid and underwater themed sheet. Actually, this sheet is from Grey Wolf Prints, and so is this gorgeous thing. Oh my gosh, have a look at the colours in that. And also this one. Oh, absolutely perfect. And then there is this little sheet which has some little quarter boxes and some deco and a business card. Oh, hang on, no. Wait a minute, I think a few things have been banked together because Chasing Planner Piece gave us these beautiful pens. Oh, I can see what's going on here. These were put in together. Have a look at this gorgeous sparkly pen. Isn't that just stunning? I love it. I know that was from Chasing Planner Piece. Now this is making sense. Then we also have... Oh, hang on, now I'm getting confused. I'm not sure what was from Mumsy and Bub. Okay, whoops, slight mistake there. Not sure. This was all packed in together into one pack. But we'll move on for now and see what else we'll find. This gorgeous little metal ruler, perfect for journaling and doing pretty little shapes. And it's also really thin and light, so it wouldn't take up much space. Oh my gosh, then have a look at this incredible package from Issiebee Designs. She absolutely went to town. Have a look at this stunning bookmark. Just look at that foiling and beautiful colours too. Wow. And we have a double sticker and date covers with a month's worth of numbers. Oh my gosh, have a look at these full boxes. They are absolutely stunning. And then there's checklists to match. Oh, look at these deco and practical little stickers as well. There's check strips, there's half boxes, bill due, payday, all that sort of thing. Oh, and look, your practical sheet with today's to-dos and tidbits. Oh, I like that one. And then have a look at the washi strips. Oh my gosh. This is just the most stunning artwork, and another ton of full boxes. And just if that's not enough, have a look at this. There's a hobo kit as well, so I can really go to town with those. Oh, thank you, Izzy. They are stunning. Then look at this. This is a gorgeous package from Issiebee Designs. They're the washi specialists. Let's have a look. What have we got here? Gorgeous thin washi in a beautiful orange and cream tones. There is red and white. That'll actually be quite handy at Christmas time. This pretty one, which is just some lovely neutral colours. Oh, and look at these samples. Oh my gosh, look at those jellyfish. They are just stunning. Oh my gosh, look at this beach one. Thongs, deck chair. Oh my gosh, that is just lovely. So thank you, Issiebee Designs. I do struggle with that word, honestly. Oh, now have a look at this. This is from the Moxie Foxy. We've got a gorgeous planner clip with a crown on it, but there's all sorts of pretty sparkles in there, so maybe I won't open that one just now because I want to make sure I save all those sequins. I love sequins. Oh my gosh, then have a look at this. This is just a ton of gorgeous foil, and all of this has come from Monique Plans. And she was busy prepping for her wedding when she sent this off. So she just sent up all these fabulous little packets that she had left over from the market. So she was incredibly generous. Have a look at this. There's gorgeous little gold foiled stars. Oh my gosh, look at this. Rose gold. Hobonichi square overlays. Look at that colour. Oh, tea stickers. Hang on, what are they? All tea stickers? Yes, all tea, and there's gold, silver, and rose gold in there. Have a look at them. They're fabulous. And then all these gorgeous hearts. Oh my gosh. What have we got? Yes, gold, silver, and rose gold, all included. Aren't they just stunning? So they're washi overlays. Magic. Look at that foil. It is superb. Thank you very much for that. Then there's this gorgeous pack from Stash Sticker Company. Hang on a minute. Let's get this open. Can I? Yes, I can. Let's have a look here. This, I saw a sneak peek of this just as she was having them come off the printer, and I just went, oh my gosh. How lucky are we? Look at this Hobonichi kit. It is just stunning. The artwork is amazing. So that is absolutely gorgeous. Then there's this beautiful whale die cut and some gorgeous little underwater creatures. Oh my gosh, they are really stunning. I love them. Then there's a little parcel here from Lime and Mortar. It includes a postcard. And what else have we got here? Oh my gosh, have a look at all this. This is just crazy. Oh, look at this super skinny washi. Isn't that just beautiful with foiling on it? And a cute little sampler sheet and some very pretty flowers and her business card. So that's gorgeous from Lime and Mortar over on the other side of the country in Western Australia. Then this fabulous package is from Luscious Labels, and I have been admiring these and was going to order them, and guess what? I'm glad I didn't. Have a look at this. Gorgeous die cuts and beautiful pastel deco stickers. Look at that. Shells, whales. Oh my gosh, they are just so gorgeous in the prettiest of pastels. So adore those. When there's another parcel. This one is from Lily and Lion. What have we got in here? Wow. Oh my gosh, look at these. Gorgeous functional sheet. Well, little deco sheet, I should say. All in greys, which is a great colour. I don't think I've got stickers like that. Oh, beautiful butterflies and flowers. And some little cute icons. So we've got book hotel, do some laundry, boat, oh I like that, train. Oh, they're really pretty. And a gorgeous little sampler sheet. Oh, then, well, we have Fox and Cactus. Now, first we got this gorgeous washi. Have a look at this with beautiful silver foiling on it. And look at this pin. How cute is this? I see a mermaid tail. I love it. And even more, some fabulous stickers. Have a look at this. Oh my gosh. And this fabulous Merbabes postcard. Oh my gosh, look at that with foil. Yes, I hope the light is catching that. And look at this. Mermaids with a very cute dolphin and some very, very pretty pastel bows. Oh, I like those. They're different. I like that. Love it. Then we have this cute little bag. This is from Arctic Paper Studio. And we have some gorgeous gold foiled washi. Another gorgeous pen with silver sparkles in it. And a cute little packet with goodness knows what in it, but no doubt it'll all be very foily because she is the queen of foil, this one. There we go. Oh my gosh, have a look at this. Gorgeous little mermaid button. Have a look at that with that foiling. Oh, just lovely. A cute little sticker flake. A little sample sheet with gorgeous silver foiling on it. Ah, I see it's coffee related. My favourite. Have a look at these washi strips. That colour is unreal with gorgeous silver hollow foil on it. Love it. And of course her business card. And then the last little parcel. Let's have a look at this cuteness. What have we got in here? And this, of course, is from the Bow Queen, little Tabby Co. So I've got a gorgeous hot pink glitter bow and a bow clip that was made to match the colours of Izzy's kit. Oh my gosh, look, I see mermaids. Look at that ribbon, mermaid scale on that. Can the camera pick that up? Oh, yep, there we go. Look at that. More mermaids. And that one's very, very sparkly. Look, more mermaids. A gorgeous little glittery mermaid tail. This cute little mini clip. And this fabulous dangle. Look at this. With a gorgeous shell and pearl. Well, there you go. Oh my gosh, there's more. There, look at this little glass thing full of tiny sparkly stars. She had these in her shop but realised they were not safe to send in the mail. So guess what? We scored them. So a huge thank you to all of our lovely Aussie planner bosses out there. Oh, and if I forgot to mention, little Tabby Co made us these fabulous canvas bags. Can you see how spoilt we were? We were so lucky. So many beautiful things. And honestly, the cruise was such a success. I have written a blog post about what we got up to. I'll link that down below so you can go and have a look. And honestly, we will be planning another one. So if you love cruising, you want to get on our list and come with us. I'll give you a link to the Facebook group that you need to join. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video because there's more like this coming. Take care. Bye.